Hello, hello, hello. Thanks for watching. This is Laura of Lip Perfect Laura, and this is my new workstation for sending out orders in my home office. So when you place an order with me, of course, I fill out this nice order form and I send you a copy. I also send you a copy of your personal wish list, which you can fax or email or snail mail back to me. These are orders ready to go out, and it's only Monday morning where I am in South Carolina, so plenty of time to get those out and get this filled up for the week. And when I get an order for a new starter set, which includes the color of your choice, a gloss, and an oops remover, I give you a free case where you can hold all of that and more. You can actually hold a driver's license, a credit card, a $50 bill, $100 bill if you're lucky, and be on the go with one of these cases. And it even has a mirror inside. How great is that? So please get your orders in. These make fabulous gifts. And of course, we have to be good to ourselves these days. Thanks for watching.